Hello students. So today we are going to study a new topic. The new topic is friction is a necessary evil. It sounds strange, right? Okay, let's check out whether friction is necessary or evil. So students, did you observe the images carefully? Yes. Okay, you have to answer these questions after observing these images. I hope you have observed these images. Let's answer these questions. Okay, the first question. What are the different images shown here? What are the different images shown here? The second question. What is the main peculiarity that you observed in these images? What is the main peculiarity that you observe in these images? The third question. What does each object provide using this peculiarity? What does each object provide using this peculiarity? The fourth question. How does each object provide grip or friction while using it? How does each object provide grip or friction while using it? The fifth question. In these cases, whether friction is beneficial or non-beneficial. Okay, let's answer this question. Okay, the first question. What are the different images shown here? What are they? They are shoes, tires and gloves. Right. Okay, we are moving on to the second question. What is the main peculiarity that you observe in these images? Yes, you said it. Grooves under the shoes, treading of tires, grip provided to the gloves. Right? Okay. Next, we are moving on to the third question. What does each object provide using this peculiarity? What does each object provide using this peculiarity? Yes, it provides friction or grip. It provides friction or grip. Okay, the fourth question. How does each object provide grip or friction while using it? You have already studied. Yes, as irregularities between the surface of contact increases, friction also increases. As irregularities between the surface of contact increases, friction also increases. Okay, the last and the final question. In these cases, whether friction is beneficial or non-beneficial. What's your answer? Yes, friction is beneficial. Okay, let's check out whether answers are right or wrong. Yes, here is the answers. So, here we have studied that friction is beneficial. In some situations, friction is beneficial. Okay, I'm asking you one question. Always friction is beneficial in all situations? Let's check out whether friction is always beneficial in all situations. Okay, children, you have to observe the images carefully. What are the different images shown here? Yes, heat energy generated when moving parts of the vehicles are moving. Right? Okay, wear and tear of machines due to the movement of parts of the vehicles. Worn out tires due to the continuous movement of the tires. Right? Then worn out shoes due to the continuous walking or due to the frequent use of that shoes. And next one is the fuel loss. Okay, you have to answer some of the questions given in this activity card after observing the images. Did you observe these images? Okay, let's answer these questions. The first question, whether the above images shows gain or loss of factors. whether the above images shows gain or loss of factors. The options are gain of factors, loss of factors. What's your answer? Okay. The second question. What is the major cause for the above loss of factors? What is the major cause for the above loss of factors? The options are frictional force, mechanical force. What's your answer? The third question. What are the major consequences due to friction? What are the major consequences due to friction? The fourth and the last question. By observing the images, whether friction is beneficial or non-beneficial. The options are beneficial, non-beneficial. Okay, I hope you have got the answers. Let's check out the first question. Whether the above images shows gain or loss of factor. What's your answer? Yes, it shows loss of factors. Very good. The second question. What is the major cause for the above loss of factors? Yes, it's frictional force. The third question. What are the major consequences due to friction? You have observed the images that heat energy generated, wear and tear of machines, worn out tires, worn out shoes, then fuel loss. So, by observing these images, whether friction is beneficial or non-beneficial. Yes, friction is non-beneficial in this situation. Let's check out whether your answers are right or wrong. I hope your answers are right. Now, we are moving on to the next section. Here, I have given you some jumbled situations. You have to group it into friction is beneficial and friction is non-beneficial. Are you ready? So, let's check out the different situations. The different situations are striking a mastic, wear and tear of machines, ability to hold objects, wear out tires, walking, waste energy, treading of tires of vehicles, fuel loss. Okay, let's group these situations into friction is beneficial and friction is non-beneficial. So, here we have grouped the situations. So, let's check out the first case. The first case is friction is beneficial. Under friction is beneficial, the situations are striking a mastic. We have always studied that striking a mastic requires friction. Ability to hold objects. Ability to hold objects also requires friction. The third one, walking. Walking also requires friction. Treading of tires of vehicles. Treading of tires of vehicles provides what? Friction. So, here, from these four situations, we understood that friction is beneficial. Now, we have the second case. Friction is non-beneficial. Under friction is non-beneficial, the situations are wear and tear of machines, wear out tires, waste energy, fuel loss. So here we have studied that in some situation friction is beneficial, in some situation friction is not beneficial. Therefore, we can say that friction is a necessary evil. I have in the introduction part, I have said that it sounds strange, right? Friction is a necessary evil. So, in some situation, friction is necessary. In some other situation, friction is like a evil because it leads to loss of so many factors. So, here in this table, you got examples for friction is beneficial and friction is non-beneficial. I hope you have understood today's topic. That's all for today. Thank you.